Good morning. Moving with the last criteria of chapter 7, that is congruency of triangles. And the last criteria, important one, that is RHS, right angle hypotenuse side. It is not right hand side, it is right angle hypotenuse and side. The first one, right angle, right, directly indicates us that we have to talk about right angle triangle. Right? The criteria કઈના બેઝ પર જ છે? Two right angle triangles are congruent. When we can say that the two right angle triangles are congruent, then if the hypotenuse and the leg, right, there are two legs, we can move with any one of the leg. આપણી પાસે કેટલા legs છે? બે legs છે. આપણે કોઈ બી leg consider કરી શકાય. બરાબર? So moving with this leg, the base part of a triangle are equal to the hypotenuse and the leg of another triangle. પહેલા ટ્રાયેંગલ નો હાઇપોટેન્યુસ અને લેગ એ કેવો હોવો જોઈએ? કોરસ્પોન્ડ્સ મીન્સ સેમ હોવો જોઈએ. કોના જેવો? તો બીજા ટ્રાયેંગલ નો હાઇપોટેન્યુસ અને લેગ્સ જેવો. રાઈટ? પણ અહીંયા એક કન્ડિશન બીજી વધી જાય છે. રાઈટ. સમજ પડી? રાઈટ? A, B, C, P, Q, R. Right? So what we can say that in triangle A, B, C and triangle P, Q, R, angle A is same as angle Q of another triangle, that is 90 degree right angle triangle. Barabar? Secondly, we can say that AB is same as QR, right? That is equal to side, or we can say they are the legs of the right angle triangle. Right? Finally, CP is same as PR. That is the hypotenuse. That is H. Right? You can see that right angle is there, hypotenuse is there, and side is there. All are equal. So what we can say that by right hypotenuse side criteria, A corresponds to B, corresponds to C, corresponds. Correspondence when we can write? Whenever the are equal. Sides, angle equal as a cut, we can move with the correspondence. First, moving with the angle. Angle A. Angle Q. A belongs to Q, then B belongs to R. And the remaining?
B.
Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle QRP. Right? Be careful. A ની સાથે જે છે તે A ની સાથે જ જશે, B ની સાથે જે છે તે B ની સાથે જશે. So by this criteria we can say that these two right angle triangles are congruent. Are you getting about that?
Yes.
લખી દેવું. Example, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, angle B is 90 degree, See, here 90 degrees mentioned to you. Means what? You have to draw a right angle triangle. तो पहला तो શું કરીએ આપણે right angle triangle draw કરી દઈએ. And you have to name according to the condition given to you. હા, જે condition આપી છે એ condition ને જ આપણે follow કરવાનું છે. Otherwise it will not form a congruency. So right angle is at which point? That is at B. So B will be over here, and then randomly you can write anything. समझ पड़ा છે શું કેમ છું? First you have to indicate the right angle, then the another 2 point you can write randomly anywhere you want. Chalo. Angle B is 90 degree. AC, that is your 8 centimeter. AB, that is your 3 centimeter. बराबर? Again moving ahead. Angle P, that is your 90 degree. Then Q અને R. चलो. PR 3 centimeter. QR 8 centimeter. Examine whether the triangles are congruent or not. Right? Same. So in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, angle P is same as angle P, which is equal to
90 degree.
right? What is that? Right angle. Very good. Then AB, that is of 3 centimeter. Search for another PR. That is equal to 3 centimeter. And what is that? One of the side. AC is equal to what is that? That is actually hypotenuse. Angle, side and hypotenuse. बताओ हाँ बताओ. अरे भाई एंगल છે કે નહીં એટલે એંગલ નો એ છે. એંગલ નો એ છે. એંગલ છે કે નહીં એ રોય બોલે ને રાઈટ એંગલ છે પણ છે તો એંગલ ને એમ એંગલ લખોતા. અરે ભાઈ ખુશ right. Right? So in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, angle B is same as angle P, 90 degree. That is your right angle. 90 degree આવી એટલે right angle જ કહેવાય દીકરા. એટલે આપણે એ લખવાનો વિચાર. AB is same as PR, 3 centimeter, one of the side. AC is same as QR, 8 centimeter. That is your hypotenuse. Right angle, hypotenuse, side. So we can apply RHS criteria, right? Therefore, by RHS criteria, what we can say that A corresponds to B corresponds to C corresponds to A B corresponds to B corresponds to P. P corresponds to P means A corresponds to R. A corresponds to R. A corresponds to R. C corresponds to Q. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle RPQ. અને આ પોઝિશનમાં જ ઓવરલેપ કરા તો જ કોંગ્રુઅન્ટ થશે. બીજી પોઝિશનમાં એ કોંગ્રુઅન્ટ થશે નહીં. समझ पड़ी congruency કેવી રીતે ચેક આઉટ કરવાનું છે તે? ચાલો another one. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, Angle A is 90 degree. Again, right angle triangle is given to you. 90 degree means what? We have to draw two right angles triangle. पहला तो right angle triangle draw कर दे. Say right angle triangle. This is also right angle. This is also right. Sure. For ABC, right angle is at A and remaining two B and C. AC
is equal to 5 centimeters.
5 centimeter. PC
9 centimeters.
9. Right? Sure. Right angle is at
Q.
Q. P. You can write it anyway. Sure. PR
8 centimeters.
8 centimeter. PQ
5
5
centimeters.
centimeter. Sure. So let's write. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, what we can say that angle A is same as angle Q, which is equal to 90 degree. Right angle, right? AC is equal to PQ. देखा है ना? AC is same as PQ. That is equal to 5 centimeter. What is that?
Side.
One of the side. But BC is not equal to PR. Hypotenuse are not equal. Hypotenuse equal છે? Hypotenuse are not equal. Therefore, triangles are not congruent. Reason? Have you got hypotenuse are not equal. દેખાય છે એક 9 છે ને એક 8 છે. That is we can વધારે લખવું હોય તો 9 is not equal to it. 9 is not equal to it. Therefore, what we can say that hypotenuse are not same. Therefore, triangles are not congruent. સમજ પડી? એટલે every time મારી પાસે congruency જ આવશે. It is not necessary. Got it? Completed. Next example. In figure, DA is perpendicular to AB. Now the symbol perpendicular indicates that they are making 90 degree with each other. What they are making? They are making 90 degree with each other. So we can say that this DA is perpendicular to AB. So here the red one 90 degree. समझ पड़े छे? Similarly, this CV is perpendicular to AB again. So where the 90 degree will form? At B. बराबर? State the three pairs of equal parts in triangle ABC and DAB. Right? So now, in triangle ABC and triangle DAB. चलो जो ABC, that is blue one. DAB, that is your red one. So we can say that angle B of ABC is same as angle A of DAB. બરાબર? બે અલગ અલગ કલર તમને દેખાય છે. રીઝન શું આપશો? 90 ડિગ્રી. રાઈટ એંગલ. બરાબર? ધ્યાનથી જોજો. AC is the hypotenuse of blue one is same as BD, the hypotenuse of red one. So what can I say that AC is same as BD, that is equal to hypotenuse, that is your H. हाँ क्या ना? And you can see that AB of blue one is same as AB of red one. So what we can say that AB is same as AB. Reason? Common side. Common side. So therefore, by RHS criteria, A corresponds to B corresponds to C corresponds to. चलो. B corresponds to जो B corresponds to A corresponds to B. उनको देखियो. A corresponds to B corresponds to A, तो A corresponds to B. उनको देखियो. And C corresponds to D. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle BAD. कयो साचो? First के one. Therefore, one is correct and two is incorrect. Why incorrect? As corresponding parts of congruent triangle એને કહેવાય CPCT. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are not equal. Corresponding parts આની અંદર equal થશે નહીં. That's why they are not congruent. સમજ પડે શું? આ CPCT યાદ રાખવાનું. Congruence part of corresponding triangle, right?